3. No need to remove this one. Same place, only keep this one. Only you will original from original screen you remove. Fix this machine here. Okay, male female only one. That's it. This one, see, this only to plug. From car no need to do anything. Before you fix, okay, see this original interface, original AC panel. Okay, you keep there. Try, everything is working. See original interface showing. Okay, you go to the console, you see the original interface. See, all working. Okay, you have to keep this box, this. But before you fix everything, you try like this. Everything working, then you remove from there. Okay, then fix it here. But before you install, you check everything like that.